Today we about to do a carbon trunk on my car. Got them apart out and stay to the end, and I'm gonna show you a bonus. It's not really a bonus, just a little something I got with it. But let me know if you like it or not. So I'm gonna put that on later. But after the trunk right here, carbon trunk. Okay. It's gonna be a big difference when I put this on. But anyway, so no more Infiniti emblem. That's the thing. So if you want to transfer it over here, which I don't want to do, if you want to transfer the emblem to this, that's gonna be kind of weird, but it's up to you. End of the day, but I'm not doing it. Okay, so first things first, I want to transfer everything over first, like the lights, and take out the wiring and all that. Also, got to take out the button. You're gonna need some glue, JB Weld glue. Show you later when we about to do it, to put it on. Okay, now so remove these clips. I made a video on this, how to remove this, so I'm gonna just remove it. Okay. Okay, take this off. Oh shit. Okay, once you do that, you have your 8s over here. Let's take this connector off first. Then yeah, it's pretty much remove those. Okay, take those off. I guess I'll put those on later. The lens. Now disconnect all these connectors off this over here. Make sure you carefully disconnect it, because we're trying to put it on the other one, on the carbon. All right, so be careful with those. Use one of these, pry. If you have one of these, just use those to take all those out. Okay, I'm gonna take them out. Okay, now disconnect this connector from here, from the latch. Okay, now we're gonna take this out here. Basically pull on this. Be careful. Don't break nothing. See? Fishing it right through. So the carbon trunk, if it doesn't have this hole, you're gonna have to make one. Same spot where this is. Okay? I think mine already has it. I didn't really check yet. Okay, yeah, so basically fish this through here and take it out. Okay, I take your 10 mil. Basically remove this latch. Oh, it's like 2 of them right there. You see 1 and 2 right there. Don't lose those. Okay, now let's remove the you gotta remove this. You gotta take the camera out of this. So you have to remove the whole spoiler with this 8 mil. If you have the same trunk as me, I think the other kind, like this one, this is different than mine. Mine is a sport one. Look, OEM. It's not slap on. Okay, so I'm gonna remove those 8s and continue. Okay, once you do that, it should be loose. Okay, this is gonna be a little sticky. It's sticky on there. I'm gonna have to pry this thing off. Alright, let me do that. So I'm basically using the heat gun to go around this until I could basically take it off. So there's a clip inside there. I don't know if you see it. This is my flash. Yeah, you're supposed to pop up, and there it is. So you have to reach in there and basically pop off that clip that's in there. Oh, it's not focusing. Okay, that clip. You have to pop it out. Then it should be loosened-ish. Okay, so here it is. It is off. It looks so ugly now. Oh, look at that. See how dirty it was? Yeesh. Extend it for you. Look at that. Look how dirty that shit was. Look at that shit. You see that? Anyways, time to move on. Time to move on. Now you have to take out this camera over here. Screws, and take it off. Okay. Put here. Here. And this one. And this one. Okay. Should pop off now. Okay. There you go. Here's your button and camera. Okay, now let's go to the trunk and install the camera. Okay, so since this hole is too big, you're gonna have to put some, some weatherproof glue here, so water can't go inside there. Around here. Okay, you're not trying to mess up your camera or the button. Okay, now I'm just removing the hood shocks. Not removing it, but taking this down. I heard you're supposed to use only one because this thing will raise your trunk. But anyways, we took it off because it's 10. We have to get to it, and it's blocking the way. As you see, it is blocking. You get a wrench and just go from here and take it off. But up to you. I'm gonna take it off. Just go in here, pop this up, and pull this back with a flathead or something. And my fault. I got into this and forgot to record. So basically, I cut this in half. Not half, but I put the camera separate so I could, test fit in here. As you see, it's gonna be like that. I'm gonna glue it here. I'm gonna try to put some screw right there so it'll be holding like that. Other side will be like this. This is how it'll come out. I'm gonna put it right here in the middle, and I'm gonna put some silicone around here so water can't get inside. So I'm gonna figure out something with this one too. Okay, so for now, this is how it looks. I'm gonna clean those gaps with this waterproof sealant I use for headlights. See how that goes. Okay, this is what I'm done with here. Basically put that thing right here. Okay, how you use this, you gotta basically there's like a rubber piece in here. You mix it all together till it get warm, and you just put it where you need to stick whatever you're sticking. This is where I sticked it. It'll take like 5 minutes and you feel it work. You feel it getting warm in your hands. Then basically attach it on there and you should be good. Let it sit for an hour and it should be solid. Now this is how it looks. If you want to copy mine, look how I did it. I put it here so it's flush like that. Okay, yeah, it's not bad. They're poked out a little bit, but fuck it. We're gonna put some weather thing here and over here. so water can't go in. Alright. Okay, let's do the other side. Okay, this is basically what I did. Went around it with this. Heat up with the heat gun and making sure there's no gaps around it. Okay, let me finish this, then I'm gonna start the button. Okay, so for the camera, I put a rubber around it. This looks kind of ghetto, but yeah, I put a rubber basically around it, hugging it, and I just stick it there. Now just align it up, put the glue over here so it doesn't move, and yeah, I might put something over here too, so it doesn't, it's not gonna move, but still keep it balanced. Alright, so I'm gonna just line it up, see if it's good, how I like it. I mean, it's a little poked out, but fuck it, it'll be alright. So I'm gonna press it and it works. Okay, so I'm gonna finish that and put the seal. Okay, this is like, you know, it's not bad, but could be cleaner, but I really don't want no water to get in there inside the trunk, so I doubt it could get in there, but I just put it just in case. You never know. But the hard part is done. Now it's time to put everything back. Okay, so you don't want to do too much back here, so just put glue here, and I put glue right here where the rubber is, because you never know, this button might go one day and you have to change it, so don't do too much. Now let's put this back. Well, let's put this on my car. Let's get it. Okay, now let's move this 10 millimeter. Be careful. If you have a helper, get one immediately. I don't have one. Trunk looks so naked. But there it is, right there. Now let's put the carbon. Okay, we put the bolts back on there. We put the latch on there. Now we just gotta fish this through here and put the lights on, pretty much. So same way we took this out, put it back in there. Okay, what I'm about to do here is optional. I'm about to take a bit, basically put the holes for this so it can stay right here. If you want, you can, or you can just zip tie it up here, whatever you please. All right, I'm not putting the mat that goes here back, because there's no point. I'm not gonna make the holes for that. So actually I might think about it. All right, let's put these holes. Okay, so for me, this connector is not reaching over here to this connector, so I'm gonna have to make a hole over here. I think I'll make a circle hole over here just for it to connect, because it's not reaching. Look, I'm not trying to cut this thing and force it to make it work, but let me cut a hole here and it should work from there. If you want a copy, I use 5/8 to do it. Probably a little smaller, but I'm gonna go around it with this bit, a little bit, just to make it fit, because it's a little tight still. See, I probably should did this in the first place. I put a blanket here so the dust doesn't go on my stuff. So if you haven't yet, put a blanket. Now let's try to make this hole a little bigger. Okay, if you go a size bigger than 5/8, you don't have to do all this work to keep grinding over this thing. A little bigger than 5/8, you should be good. But it fits now. It's like that. Now I don't have to worry about this thing. Leave that shit just like that. If you didn't realize, I'm not putting the mat that was here before with the clips around it. I'm just making my own holes and zip tying everything. So I'm gonna finish that up, put the zip ties where I need to put it, and wrap this up. Okay, make sure you check your button, make sure it works. I'm gonna have to reseal this thing because mine wasn't working because where I put it, it dried up and it couldn't press. Now it could press, as you see. Okay. There we have it. Here's the trunk. Boom. You get better look in the light. There it is. There's the trunk. I'll show you the final touch. Before. Bam! Look at this. Woo! Yeah. There you go. Final touch. Now I'll put that on there. Okay. Be a difference. Boy, it'll look better when I put it on. See that shit? Let me know. Should I keep it like this or leave this on there? Okay, so let me switch that. Okay, here it is. Now let's put this on. There you have it. So let me know, should I keep it or take it off? Don't look too ricey. Too rice. Let me know. Okay, that was it. How you put the trunk on. Carbon fiber trunk. So, if you did yours a different way, let me know, man. Send me a video. But this is how I did mine. Alright, so I helped you out. Give me a like. Subscribe. Later.